I was just watching an equation, a powerful equation with same energy, same intent. What a performance! What a performance!
Oh my god, that means a lot. That means the world. Thank
and
you. I remind them of Sridevi ma'am, and I was like, no, that's not
Oh,
true. That is not
okay.
true. That can't be true. You know how I choose projects? I just want to live different lives. I
Right.
get bored with one life very easily. So I'm bored with Radhika's life. He doesn't come with his superstar air around him. He's very easygoing, very grounded, makes things comfortable. I used to give people autographs, saying that बाद में लाइनों में लगना पड़ेगा. It's just Bombay is not for the faint-hearted.
Right.
It's not. Audition process taught me that you cannot get attached to things. You just need to give your 100% and come out and don't expect anything from it.
Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Ritunjay and you're watching Pop Diaries channel. Today we are in conversation with a beautiful lady and you know उनकी मुस्कान पे ही हम सब ने अपना दिल हार चुके हैं. And now she is delivering so many दबंग performances and उन दबंग performance के साथ साथ वो हमारा दिल भी फिर से एक बार जीत रही है. So let's welcome the most gorgeous and super talented Radhika Madan.
Oh my god, that's so
Hi
sweet.
Radhika. Like welcome to Pop Diaries first.
Thank you and thank you for that introduction.
अरे यार बनता है क्योंकि I have to tell this and like first of all I'm very big fan of yours and it's not like कि interview है तो you know बोल रहा है. I'm really following you from like मेरी आशिकी तुमसे ही, सजनी and पटाखा and now सरफिरा. And since we are talking about Sarfira, I watched the film and I was blown away. What a performance! What a performance! Seriously, and overall, like you know, doing that in front of Akshay Kumar, and you know, I was like, what is this? What is seriously? And since it was a remake, and still I felt like this is like the most original thing I have seen ever.
Oh my god, that means a lot. That means the world. Thank you.
And it's not me saying this. I'm listening this from everyone. Like everyone is talking about Sarfira and giving all the positive reviews. So I wanted to know what was that one review or reaction that you received and it literally touched you.
Oh my god, so we were at a screening and somebody came to me and told me that I remind them of Sridevi ma'am, and I was like, no, that's not true. That is not true. That can't be true. Like she's somewhere else. So it was just really hard for me. And I was like,
That's a huge
me?
compliment.
Or, are you sure? Me performance? So actually, two people came to me at different screenings and said the same thing. So it really
Okay.
touched me, and I was beyond overwhelmed and grateful, and that was the biggest compliment I could have ever received.
Exactly, seriously. But you know, I have noticed one thing, that all your characters are so dabang, always. You know, they can be vulnerable and they don't shy off to take a stand. So what's this conscious decision to take all these characters? Is it like because the real Radhika is also like that?
I don't know, like you know how I choose projects? I just want to live different lives. I
Right.
get bored with one life very easily, so I'm bored with Radhika's life, clearly. So I like playing different lives. I pick characters which scare the hell out of me. I need to feel that, how on earth will I be able to do this? So if that thought comes into my mind, I say yes to it.
Right.
There are characters which are not that dabang, like if you see Angrezi medium ki Tarika or
right.
Kache Limbu ki Aditi, they are pretty reserved and in their own way, especially
Right.
Aditi for that
Right.
matter. So dabangness, I'm not sure, but it does come naturally to me.
Right.
It does come. मैं बहुत लड़ाइयाँ करी हैं मेरी लाइफ में. मैं बहुत सबसे लड़ के आई हूँ यहाँ पे. So it comes naturally, and I like taking that stand.
Right, but you know, when you mentioned that you like to leave these characters, what are those key takeaways that you take from all these characters, especially from Rani?
From Rani. So Rani came to me at a point when I had just finished shooting for Sana, which was a really dark film.
Right.
And I was in a dark space, mentally not being able to get out of bed and all of that. But I read Rani and she came as a breath of fresh air. She just revived me
From that dark.
From that darkness, and she reminded me who I actually was. I'd
Right.
forgotten that part of me.
Okay.
Because of the characters that I had played in all these years. I'd forgotten that part of me. So she came in at the right time,
Right.
reminded me of who I was, lifted me up, was a perfect rebound, and left.
I just hope all your future characters are like that only. Because it's the process for an actor.
Yeah.
You know, live different lives and, you know, get completely into the character.
Mm-hmm.
But when I watched the film, let me tell you, like, keeping a company and, you know, sharing a company with Akshay Kumar is, as a person, as a celebrity, is so intimidating.
Mhm.
Kind of a intimidating scenario. But when I watched the film, I was like, you know, I was just I wasn't watching two people or two characters. I was just watching an equation, a powerful equation with
Mhm.
same energy, same intent. How did you do it? मतलब in front of him थोड़ा डर नहीं लगा while playing that?
Not really. It's also gracious of him to create a space
Exactly.
which makes people feel comfortable. He doesn't come with his superstar air around him. He's very easygoing, very grounded, makes things comfortable. So if my character had to take his case, I felt very easy doing that. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, क्या समझता है खुद को या जो भी होता है. So it came very naturally to me. But of course, like as soon as people used to call cut, I was like, that's Akshay Kumar sitting in front of me, and I just said this to him.
At the same time, he's very hilarious as well.
Oh, he's too easygoing, very funny.
How was it behind the scenes on the sets?
He used to make fun of me because I used to be engrossed in my script,
Okay.
and I used to ask for a lot of takes even when the director used to say okay. I was like नहीं one more. He was like,
Oh,
तो ये वो शर्त लगाते थे एडीज से कि ये एक और टेक मांगेगी मांगेगी.
and I think he used to be like, मैम और 3 फिल्म वेट कर रही है.
हाँ कि ओके कर तो दिया. तो नहीं मेरे अंदर से अभी एक और चीज आएगी. वो कहते क्या अंदर से इसका.
Okay, but in Sarfira, there's a manifestation story, I would say, like for Rani and for Veer, they are manifesting something and then they achieved it. We can say that. So for Radhika, is there any kind of a manifestation story? Like you literally manifested something and you have already achieved it. What's that one story for
So
you?
it's really weird. In 3rd grade, I used to, when I had a unibrow and more hair than my brother on my body,
Okay.
I used to give people autographs, saying that बाद में लाइनों में लगना पड़ेगा. It's just
Oh my God.
sheer
Okay.
bizarreness. And I don't know why I used to do that. पर मैं सबकी नोटबुक के पीछे ऑटोग्राफ देती रहती थी.
Right.
और वो मुझे बोलते थे क्या वेस्ट कर दिया हमारा पेपर. एंड ये वो मैंने बोला तुम देखना क्या होगा. Even with that unibrow, I used to feel like I am Kareena Kapoor.
Okay.
Stupidity,
I
but
think-
I think it's so that thing I think got manifested
Kya
later on, and I didn't even know if I wanted to be an actor at that point. I was just randomly giving people my autographs.
Okay, but it's been a long journey, Radhika, I would say, and it's been so many years. And you know, we all have that one, you know, not one, but we all have that rejections. We all get those rejections in our lives. What was that one rejection you would, you know, mention that it hit you hardest or baddest?
I think a lot of rejections. Being in this industry actually trains you for life.
Right.
It's a life training. Bombay is not for the faint-hearted.
Right.
It's not. Nothing is predictable.
Right.
You don't know if you're going to get work tomorrow. So audition process taught me that you cannot get attached to things. You just need to give your 100% and come out and don't expect anything from it. Of course, initially it used to break my heart, and I used to be like, but I gave such a good audition. But then later on it taught me detachment. Giving your 100% and then being detached. So that really helped me before I even started working in films.
Right.
That prepared me for life. I know life is gonna like hit you with highs and lows, but it's about the toughest thing is the waiting period.
Right.
When you don't have work.
Right.
What do you do in that waiting period? How do you treat yourself? How hard do you prep? And I feel that because I've experienced it so many times in my life, like waiting period of a year or two or more. I always used to fool myself by saying that I'm not gonna have time in life.
Okay.
बाद में time नहीं होगा, अभी जितना सीखना है सीख लो.
Right.
So initially I used to just be delulu and just watch a film every day, read books, work on my craft, do workshops. क्योंकि मौका आता है.
Right.
और तुम्हें नहीं पता कब आएगा.
Right, exactly. And it always comes when you don't expect anything. Right?
So मुझे पता था कि जब वो मौका आए ना, तब छक्का मारना है.
Exactly.
चौका भी नहीं मारना, छक्का मारना.
Directly, yeah.
तो उसके लिए रेडी रह राधिका. क्योंकि अगर तूने टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया, सल्क करके, अनफेयर है चीज़ें बोलकर, विक्टिमाइज करके, तो वो मौका फिर चला जाएगा. उस पे छक्के मारने के लिए रेडी रहे हो.
Exactly.
So I just used to, I still train myself for that. Like what is the self-talk I'm doing when I'm not working?
Right.
तो ईगो भी चेक हो जाती है, आपका सेल्फ लव भी चेक हो जाता है, सारी चीज़ें चेक हो जाती हैं कि आप कैसे खुद से बातें कर रहे हो उस टाइम पर.
Great, yeah. But nowadays there are so many platforms. OTT है, films है, and there are so many things that an actor can turn around. So do you think OTT has changed all these parameters or these stereotypes basically or labelings कि ना ये TV industry से आई है या फिर ये industry से आई है? Do you think especially OTT has changed all these labelings and stereotypes?
I guess so. I guess so. What it has done is it has created a lot of opportunities for people. Earlier, there was a segregation between the two, television, films.
Exactly.
OTT के आने से काम इतना ज़्यादा आ गया कि most of the actors are working actors now.
Right.
Everyone can shine in their own way. N number of platforms, N number of projects being made. Good directors.
Exactly.
So पहले जो ये सुनने को मिलता था ना, मैं घर पे बैठा हुआ हूँ. अभी कोई घर पे नहीं बैठा हुआ है. अभी मैं टीवी के टाइम के भी जो मेरे दोस्त हैं या कुछ जो ट्राई करे सब बिजी हैं.
Exactly.
कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रहे हैं. कोई ना कोई शो.
There are so many things.
So many shows. OTT, YouTube.
Even audio shows now.
Yes,
yeah,
exactly. It's just so I'm glad that वो job opportunities create हुई हैं.
Exactly.
And
I think nowadays that one there used to be line कि अगर आप एक इंडस्ट्री में स्विच कर लिया ना तो फिर हम पीछे नहीं जाते थे.
हाँ.
तो nowadays that line has blurred out.
I agree. I totally agree.
So I think it's a great thing, and I really want to watch you in all these platforms again and again and again.
Thank
so
you.
Would you spill some beans? What's coming? Coming next? Yeah.
Sure. Like I've already shot for a film called Rumi Ki Sharafat.
Right.
It's a comedy.
Okay.
It's my 5th project with Maddock.
Right.
It's super fun. It's so funny. Okay. I can't wait for you guys to see that film. There's another film called Sana, which did it festival rounds. It got me my first International Best Actor award, and I think it's going to release this year. I hope it releases this year.
It will.
And because I can't wait for the audience to see
manifest.
it. Yeah, I need to manifest it. My producer needs to manifest it. But yeah, these 2 projects are coming up after Sarfira. I'm already shot for them, and now I'm looking for another script that scares the hell out of me.
But yeah, on that note, I have the last question that I have seen you in so many characters with so many different shades.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what's that one character or one genre that you really, really want to explore?
I really want to play an antagonist.
Okay.
An antagonist with a lot of layers. Something like a Joker. Like I really want to explore that. People have told me I'm very bhuli shakal hai. And now I just want to use that for another thing. So yeah, I if directors are listening to this, I can be a very good antagonist. Just believe in me.
Thank you so much.
Thank
this was
you so
the
much.
fun conversation I have
same
ever
here.
had. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch Sarfira in the theaters.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. You're watching Pop Diaries channel. Please subscribe us. We are near to 1 million. Guys.
Wow.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Hi, this is Radhika Madan and you're watching me on Pop Diaries.